4, 3.
Do I need my G2 open?
Not,
Might get confusing. No, I'll just log out.
okay, yeah. So anyway, yeah, the all the action, so to speak, is in G2, or I'll try about all the security settings in G2. Active Directory is just our foundation to validate that the person can log on. It's like if you wanted to, Active Directory is also the 44 Magnum. So if you have to disable somebody quickly, just go to Active Directory and hit disabled. Then at your leisure, go to G2 and do whatever you want to, which of course we'll be going over this morning. The other things you can do, but if you disable them in Active Directory, they're done in our system.
We disabled them Active Directory. You've done that system. Okay, yep. Okay, that makes sense because I thought maybe I'd have to go into to G2 and make them inactive.
You do. I mean, as a good maintenance, as a good
right, okay,
steward of all your stuff. But as far as somebody says, "Hey, get them off our system now," boom, go to Active Directory, and you did it.
Yeah, that's our first step.
And then
just
on
assume,
Friday, go ahead.
With this for today, just assume I know zero about G2. It's better for me to just get it from the ground up.
You got it.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yep. So again, we'll start with that foundation that you understand in Active Directory. Every user setup, I don't care who it is, must be set up in Active Directory. And again, you find a good generic person that their only membership in Active Directory, which is probably everybody, is domain user. And if you copy them, and of course, at that point, all you do is change their name to whatever you want to change it to, or well, to whatever their name is, and give them a password. And that's it when you do the copy. Any questions on that? Or when you want to go to when you want to hit Active Directory?
I think I'm set on the Active Directory side of everything. I know it authenticates back and forth.
Yep.
And that is our first step when somebody is separated from the company. So yeah, I get it.
Yeah, just do a copy, and then whatever, if you give them user ID m.berggren and password strongsmarine.1, then when I log on to G2, I'll use m.berggren and strongsmarine.1, and I can log on.
Okay.
So I'll go ahead, and because I don't have access to that, I can't show it to you. If there's no questions on Active Directory, we'll just start with the assumption that you have created somebody. Actually, let's go ahead and let's do a user. You do a copy on your side, and you tell me the username and password, whoever you, and we could go ahead and just disable it. Let's do that.
Yeah, that's good. That's perfect. Just give me 1 second.
Yeah.
SP users. Let's see. So I'm gonna make a new user. I'm gonna call it IDS test. How's that sound?
Done. Now I wouldn't create a new user. I would always do the copy.
Well, I could always make them deactivated after, but
correct,
yeah.
Correct.
You give me about 45 seconds here.
You got it. And again, that document you printed out does have these steps on it also.
Yeah, I literally printed it out, but I didn't look through it. I just got it from you, so I guess.
That'll just be page 1. We're on page 1.
Okay, I created the user in our Active Directory. Name is IDS space test, all in caps.
IDS space tech?
Oh, it's the first name, last name. I just said it. So IDS test.
Yeah, so the ID is IDS tech, no spaces, correct?
IDS test.
IDS test. Okay, great.
Yes.
And no spaces. And the let me get my little OneNote up here. And what is the password?
It is capital A BC 123.
2, 3. Capital A, lowercase boy Charlie, 1, 2, 3.
Correct.
And then IDS test. Okay, perfect. Actually, that's absolutely perfect. Now, if you look at the instructions I sent you, of course, as I looked at it myself, I've already varied. They say create a new user. I said copy. So it's up to you, however you want to do it. So pages 1, 2, 3 is how you do it in Active Directory, which you just did. And again, they chose create new user icon, whereas I just right click on somebody and then do a copy, but that's up to you. So any questions on that?
Nope. Nope.
Okay.
Straightforward.
All right. So we are going to page 4. So I'll go to admin and then I'm going to go to setup. And I'm sorry, I'm going to go to security and I'm going to go to administer or new user wizard setup. Now, actually, one difference, and you might want to make a note on this on the instructions, new user wizard only looks at users within the current account. Like I'm an STL. So I'm just going to see STL users. Let me close the window I have open now. So I take it back, let me open back up again. If I go to new user wizard and I click on search, I'm only searching for users within the STL location because that's what I'm logged into. If I go to administer G2 and maintain users, now I'm searching or looking at all users no matter what account. And that's a very important difference. You need to that'll stump you sometimes. If you're trying to find a user in a different account, and you go to new user wizard and you go, why isn't it not there? New user wizard looks at the current account under admin maintain users. You're looking at all accounts. So kind of keep that one in mind. So, but generally speaking,
What the fuck is this?
you're setting up in one account. Or at least you're starting with one account. Okay, so go back to new user wizard.
Give me a second. Hold on a second, because
Sure.
Answer season inventory payoff. Trying to keep up to you on the pages. Hold on a second. Okay.
Actually, please
Okay.
stop me when you need to make some notes and you need to think for a second. Just say, Bergman, hold on, and then let me know to go start again.
You said you're on page 4. You want to stop the recording a second then? Because I want to catch up on this stuff.
Yep.
I'll pause, all right.
I think I can pause it. Recording.